This Lebanese potato salad is fresh, herby, and citrusy and comes together with just a few ingredients. We're cooking good things with our friends at Peri & Sons Farms, using their mild yellow onions for even more flavor and crunch. So start by boiling the potatoes until fork tender, and while that cools slightly, make the dressing. A good amount of olive oil, tangy sumac, a few cloves of grated garlic, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and your favorite tender herbs. I'm using parsley, mint, and green onions. Then add your sliced onions to that mixture and give everything a good toss. And finally, add the warm potatoes and give everything a gentle mix. This potato salad is simple, vibrant, and delicious served warm or at room temp. How good does that look?